Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Laura. So today is all about tin jars, farmhouse upcycle, and if you like that kind of DIY content, so stay with me and let's get started. I have those two big 1 liter tin jars, and I'm going to make a farmhouse style containers for oats and flour. And first thing, I'm going to paint them in warm beige color, and I will give a couple of coats. When my painting was dry, I'm using a wooden letters to spell a word out and gluing them down with a super glue and painting over in the same color. So now we are gonna do some decoupaging, and I'm using a PVA glue. So next I would like to give an age appearance by doing a dry brush technique, and I'm using a dark brown acrylic paint. For the lid, I've decided to cover with rope. This one's a really simple, everybody's seen it. You just twist around with the rope or twine, or even raffia would look good. And I'm gluing with a hot glue. So this is how the finished product looks, and for the handle I'm using a wooden bead. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.